Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. Hope you stick around to enjoy the painting. So, what I'm doing today is I am creating two blooms, but I have multiple paints that I needed to get rid of. So, the recipes are not all the same, but the consistency is. And I'm not giving out colors because a lot of them had color mix. Yeah, a lot of custom colors because you guys know if you watch the channel, you know that I will mix up paints at the last minutes just to make sure I'm trying to see the colors that I want to see. So, as I was saying, today is kind of like a freestyle day, experimental if you would want to look at it like that. So we're just putting down some paints that I've had mixed up, and some of them are iridescent, some are opaque. I think I may have a metallic in there too. But yeah, it's a little bit of everything. So just hang out with me for a little while and check out this painting. I will put on a little music for you to enjoy, and I'll be back in a few. Hey guys, what I'm doing here is just using my hair dryer on low and high heat to pop the bubbles. I figured I could do that when I ran out of lighter fluid for my torch. But anywho, if you're still around and you're enjoying the art so far, please remember to hit the like button and also consider subscribing. I am almost done with this piece, I'm sure. And I'm just editing as I go. So I'm not sure what's coming next, but um, I'm going to make sure that you guys do see the dried results because this was done a couple of weeks ago. Okay, back to the music. Oh no, wait a minute, guys. This is the end of this painting. What I'm realizing, because as I said, I am editing as I'm watching, that this is a two bloom video, but I poured over this one. The reason being is because I knew that the painting would dry darker than what it appeared, and I wasn't looking for something that dark at this time. So what I'm doing is going again and trying to layer in a different way to make sure that I don't end up with such dark results. So there you go. And here comes the music. Let's finish this video. And guys, let me know, how are you liking this cell activator? It was made using Amsterdam's yellowish green. So I'm loving it actually. I forgot that I had used that, so look forward to seeing more of that. Hey guys, the dried results are coming up in just a second. They were taken in natural lighting, but it's kind of overcast today. But why don't you check out the wet results? I'm so happy I decided to pour again to lighten this painting up. The cells are beautiful and I don't have anything crazy going on with them. The green lacing picked up the gold and formed this, even lighter, iridescent, like green. So I'm in love with the lacing, the cells, the blending of the colors. Although I wanted to keep the composition tighter in the beginning because I had already poured, I had so much paint on the canvas that I had to continue spinning so that it would dry properly. And here are those dried results that I was telling you about. So if you made it to this point in the video, I appreciate you and thank you so, so much. Mwah. And I hope you all have a very beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, see you later.